In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messages not showing up. If you're also facing this problem, there's no need to worry about because these kind of problems are caused by simple kind of bugs in the system. If you don't see any of the messages that you've sent or received on Instagram, there are a couple of things that you can do to fix it. Firstly, if you have not tried updating the app of Instagram, you can try to do it. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you tap on updates and update the app. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing the issue. Now the next thing that you can do is you can try to clear the data and the cache of your Instagram. To do that, if you're on an Android, you can simply tap and hold the app and tap on app info. But if you're using an iPhone, you need to open up your settings and then offload your Instagram from there. Now Android interfaces are also different. On this setting, you'll need to tap on clear data and then clear cache. Caches are the temporary files which get automatically downloaded and pile up in your system. Other than that, you can also tap on clear data and clear all the data. Tap on OK. Now what this will do is it will log you out of your Instagram account. Now the next time you open up your Instagram, you'll need to type in your email address and the password to log in. Now after you do these few steps, you should be able to see all of your Instagram messages like before. If this video helped you out, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below if you guys want more of these kind of videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.